What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am gonna film a very quick 10-minute hair tutorial. So this is a tutorial for my hair that I do pretty much every day and I think it's super easy. It's it makes your hair look good without you making too much of an effort. It's using really super affordable products that I've talked about multiple times before. I'm gonna do a couple of curls, so I'll show you what I use. So first things first is the curling tool of choice that I'm going to use is the Hill Glam Waver. So this is from the Pick and Mix range. As you can tell, the Pick and Mix bottom is right here, and then at the top I've got the Glam Waver. So at first when I picked this up, I picked it up because it was 3 for 2 and there wasn't any of others available. But actually this is my fave. So what I'm trying to say is I didn't buy it intentionally, but when I did and I used it and I was like, oh my god, and now I use it every day. So if you're thinking about buying this but haven't yet and you really like Hill products, I would pick it up because I've been using it every day since. So that's the product that I use pretty much all the time. The other thing that I use is I set my hair with heat defense. You can use this wet or dry, and I've raved about this quite a few times on my channel. So this is the argan oil heat defense. You can get this from a Savers. It's super cheap, but it's really good and it smells really, really nice. So I start off just by lightly spraying everywhere. It smells like you're on holiday. That's the smell that I get from it. So yeah, that's what I use, and then I just kind of waft it about a bit, just kind of mix it in with my fingers. And then I brush it through. I used to use a comb, but now I've just gone back to a regular brush. So I'm just going to regular brush my hair through because it does make it a bit knotted. This product does. So I'm just going to put that through my hair. Next product I use, which sounds a little bit strange because I know that this is a curling product, but this is what makes this tutorial faster. So I use the L'Oreal Studio Go and Create Sculpting Spritz, and that's what it looks like. So I literally just spray a little bit on my hand, so literally just like that. It's such a white product. I rub it in and then I just get the bottom and I rub it onto my roots, because I don't ever curl the whole head of hair because that takes me a while. So I just tend to put this on my roots, and then I don't really have to touch the roots with any kind of curler, and it keeps it a little bit more fresher in my opinion. You don't get dead ends, and then when you go for a haircut it's not as bad, and you can kind of keep the longevity of it. So I just scrunch it into the bottom and the other side. I don't put it all over because again I am going to use a curler. So the next thing I do is I grab my clip. These are super cheap, you can get them from anywhere. They're really good clips as well. I'm pretty sure I got these from Primark or something. So with the pieces that I have sectioned off, I basically split my hair into two. So I take the top bit up first and then I use the bottom. As I said, because I do this quickly and because it's a Glam Waver and it's just meant to kind of tidy up your hair. Well, I use it for tidying up purposes. I don't actually curl my whole head. And I've already got quite a few little curls in my hair already, or waves. So I just kind of add to the waves. So if you have wavy hair, this is perfect for you. So I've got my waver. I just put it down and I wrap it round. Give it about 5 seconds, or maybe even less than that. Because as I said, the wavier you want your hair, obviously the longer you'll leave it. But I just want it to be a little bit tidier than what it is now. So this is what I do. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and let go. And there's another bit done, and then grab your next section. So just sections of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So yeah, as you can tell, that's just kind of tidied me up a little bit. So it's not curled it, it's not waved it, it's only taken 3 sections. You can judge it up a little bit, but it's all just made it a little bit more tidier rather than frizzier and a little bit more out of control. Because I think with my hair, as the day goes on, my hair gets more and more out of control. As I said, you don't really need to see this bit, so I'm probably going to skip through this bit. because I've already showed you the rest of my head. So I'll see you in a second. Cool, so that's that bit done. So what I'm going to do is take out the top bit. I'm just going to take all of it out, and what I do with this bit is, because as I said, my hair's already pretty wavy, I just add to the waves. So I'll add a wave wherever I want there a wave to be. So for example, I quite like the waves at the front, so I'll grab a section of my hair at the front and just wave that bit. So just put that there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let that one go, and then I've got a nice wave there. And then if I want to make, like, say one here, I'll just grab that section, pull that bit out. Yeah, basically I'll just grab strands, and wherever bit I want waving, I'll just put a wave in there. I know that, as I've said on multiple videos of mine before, if you've seen them, is that I don't do waves like conventionally. I don't do anything conventionally. This is probably not the way that you're supposed to do it, but this is the way that I do it, and it's the way that I like it. And yeah, so if this video is helpful to you, that's my aim. So just grab the front bit, because I said I like the waves at the front, and then just let that bit go. Oh, that was a little bit tedious. Grab the wave there as well, wrap it round. So that is me pretty much done. I don't use hairspray in my hair because I don't like hairspray whatsoever. I don't like the whole like film it leaves on your hair, and I don't think it's very good for it. So I try to use as less products as I can on my hair and less heat as I can on my hair. So I don't do this all the time, but if I'm going out and I just want a quick tidy, this is what I will do. I rave about the Mark Hill products all the time because I think they're really good. They're really affordable, and they're like, you don't need to spend hundreds on like GHDs and stuff when these do the job, I think. So they're actually one of the best purchases I ever made, and I have to say I really like them. Yeah, this is my very quick, like, it literally took me under 10 minutes to do my hair, and it's kind of tidied it up a bit, given me a few little curls. I look a little bit cute, like I've like made a little bit of an effort, when you all know all it took was 10 minutes. So yeah, that's it, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one.